जय बोले शंकर की जय, जय बोले शंकर की जय, जय बोले शंकर। Beautiful. You just see that Om. Om is a very important part of our ethos, Kashmiri Pandits ethos. For that matter, everybody for that matter, every Hindu is it is a complete puja. This is again Bhagwan Shankar. You have to go deep to just this is Dhyan Yantra. It's very important, it's not simple, it's very important. This is Dhyan Mantra. It's very important. And Bhagwan Shankar Bhai Jai, Bhagwan Shankar Ki Jai. You have to go to deep, just see Om and then Bhagwan Shankar beyond this.
One night moji ko si havani buchal dimna ja sakya rutumai gasi rutumai gaman tati vegi nyau rutumai buchal dimna jamane sind jal tan navsi busir panunui bavsi क्या जलाई था सा पामनी बुचार दिमना जामनी बाल प्याठ ना लाई सही बसाज से तार वाइस